Earlier today, we saw some amusing animal clips. Let's continue that trend, but this time, dogs are going to steal the show. Here are some of the coolest dogs I've ever seen. If you thought that dog was good at driving, check out this one.
Good boy. On the streets right now. Good boy. On the streets right now. Yeah. Ride with me. Yeah.
Hey, good boy.
It's the real hot. Say what? It's the real.
Good dog.
Thanks a lot to the SPCA for letting me use that video. I highly encourage those of you guys who are looking to get a new pet to adopt from the SPCA. That's how I got my new little kitty. Finally, earlier today I left your mom with a smile on her face, so time to do the same for you guys with this amazing tale of survival.
Scrambling out from beneath the rubble, a dog emerges. The dog is believed to have survived not only the tsunami, but 3 weeks at sea as well. Seemingly scared by the helicopter's propellers, the dog hid under the roof of the house, forcing rescuers to descend and try to lure it to safety. It was eventually rescued by a Coast Guard boat when the helicopter reportedly ran out of fuel. Japanese broadcaster NTV said the Coast Guards were hoping the dog would help lead them to its owner. A massive search and recover operation is currently underway